Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm host A.
And I'm host B. We are so happy you're joining us today.
And today, we are going to dive right into something super important, basic English greetings.
So let me ask you something. Do you want to start speaking English? Like right now? Today? I bet you do. And you know what? The absolute best and easiest way to start is just by learning how to say hello. Seriously, it's the perfect way to kick off any conversation.
All right, so what even are basic greetings? Well, they're just the simple words and phrases you use to, start talking to someone. Think of it like this. They're the friendly hello that opens the door to a conversation. And they're super important because they show people you're polite and friendly.
That's it, exactly. And the best part is it's actually really easy once you know just a few simple rules. So let's get into it and figure out when to use the right words.
Okay, rule number 1, and this is the big one. Hello is always the right answer. Seriously. You can say hello to your friend, to a new person, in the morning, at night, it doesn't matter. You'll always be correct. It's the perfect go-to greeting.
Totally. Now, if you want to get a little more specific, you can use greetings based on the time of day. So you've got good morning for, the morning, good afternoon for most of the day until maybe 5 or 6 p.m., and then good evening for any time after that.
Exactly. And that brings us to something that trips a lot of people up. Good night. So let's say, host B, you show up to a party at 8 p.m. Would you walk in and say good night to everyone?
Ooh, that's a fantastic question. And nope, you wouldn't. That is such a common mistake, so don't worry if you've done it. You always say good evening when you arrive somewhere at night. Good night is what you say when you're leaving, like when you're heading home from the party or just going to sleep. It's a goodbye, not a hello.
That's it, exactly. And that brings up another little tip about being polite. If someone asks, "How are you?" just saying fine can sometimes sound a little short. It's so much warmer if you say something like, "I'm fine, thanks. And you?" It's just a nice way to show you care about them too, and it keeps that conversation rolling.
You got it. Okay, now that we have the rules down, let's see how this all works in action. We're going to do a little role play of a super simple, real-life conversation. Just listen for those phrases we've been talking about. All right, I'll go first. Ready? Hello. Good afternoon.
Okay, my turn. Good afternoon, how are ya? And here comes that polite part we just mentioned. I'm good, thank you. And you?
And I'll wrap it up. I'm fine. And scene. That's it. A perfect, simple, polite English conversation. See, that wasn't so hard, was it? You can totally do this. All right, you've learned the rules, you've seen it in action, you know what that means. It's time for a little quiz to see what you remember. It's going to be fun, I promise. You ready?
Okay, here we go. On the screen, you'll see a couple of columns. On one side, we have some greetings, and on the other side, we have the answers. All you have to do is match the right greeting with the right response. Go ahead and pause right here to give yourself a moment to figure it out.
All right, you ready for the answers? Let's check them out. The correct matches are on the screen now. So for number 1, hello, how are you? That one matches with B, I am well, thanks. And look at number 3, good morning, which of course matches with C, good morning. How'd you do? If you got them all right, that's amazing. And if you missed 1 or 2, no big deal at all. That's what practice is for. You're doing an awesome job just by being here and trying.
That was great. Okay, we are almost done. Let's do a super quick review of the most important things to remember so you can walk away from this and start talking right away.
Okay, first thing to remember, hello is your best friend. It's always a safe bet. When you're not sure what to say, just say hello.
Next, try using those time of day greetings like good morning or good afternoon to be a little more specific.
Yes, but remember, good night is only for goodbyes, never for a hello.
And last but not least, always be polite. Saying thank you and asking "and you" back to someone makes all the difference.
So what now? Well, we have a little mission for you. Your challenge for today is super simple. We just want you to say hello to one person. That's it, just one. It could be the mail carrier, someone at a store, anyone at all.
You totally have everything you need to do this. You did such a great job with us today, and you are 100% ready to start speaking English. So go out there and do it.
Thanks so much for learning with us today. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.